Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, you hear me? And if today is your first time you're coming up to this channel to just come view, I say a very big welcome to you. Yes, a very big welcome to you. You know, since morning, like we be working this our new shop, you know, you can see we just opened this new branch now. Right now you can see, yes, all of them too. What you need we got, whatever you need we got in here, whatever you need we got in here. You see, yes. So I want to make this opportunity for you guys, like we're on sale too right now, like you can come track us, and we not far from you. You know, I told you we have shop in Jota, we have shop in Trade Fair, and right now we are just open new in Akuwonjo area. You know, the name of the place is Prima Tech Plaza, opposite Sweet Sensation. You hear me? You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, I say welcome if today is your first time you coming up, and if you're a returning subscriber, copy the link and share. Don't forget, make sure you copy the link and share for other people. I mean, how about you guys say, man, boy, you trying for you making the ladies beautiful, boy, you trying for you doing this review. How about you guys saying that? Instead of you coming watching my video, when you done watching the video, and only what you gonna drop for there for me to see is just to abuse your own father, just to abuse your own brother, because it's not me, I don't see that like you are abusing me, not me. I tell you real talk. If y'all don't come, I mean, you're not okay with my English, right? That's the problem. Oh, come on, talk it. Is that the problem? You're not okay, fine, walk away, unsubscribe. I'm not begging you. I only put up a video for you to understand. I mean, just to, watch and get some knowledge. You're not okay with my English. Some say that's why I don't watch his video. Some say this blah 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 or blah blah blah. In the head, I don't understand you. I mean, we just come here just to embarrass yourself. I mean, it's not good. I tell you once again, this is from it, and a very bad habit. If you know you don't know how to talk to your husband at home, don't bring it down here. This is market. Otherwise, what we doing here is just market, okay? In a quick one, I want to tell you something about this. Okay, let me tell you something about this. Bam. You see, this is one thing that you guys don't know. You see, yes, it's quite different. It's quite different. You can see. I'll show you again. Bam. This is one thing y'all don't know. It's quite different. A lot of people, they be talking like, oh, is this thing real? Is it really working? Is it really working? Yes, we still have the original one. And you can see this original one. It have the highest level of whitening. You can use it for the face and for your body. Trust me. Not everyone you see you can use, but I'm telling you, this one, you can use it for your face and for your body. Right now, this is one of the glutathione that is really safe for you. Are you getting it? We have other ones, yes, but when you talk about highest level of whitening, this is the highest level of whitening for glutathione. I'm telling you, yes. If you miss it, if you want to touch it more, and you always know how this, you say, I want to make it more higher than what it is. You can add the serum. You understand? You can add all this, and I mean, as a matter of fact, you all know these, but you go somewhere and buy the wanky and those ones that are not right, those ones that are fake. You buy them, and when you use them, they say it's not working. That is your problem. That is where the case lies on. That is where you having it not real. But how about you spend money on the right one? And you know this one is correct. Yes, it's very correct. Don't say I use it on myself, it's not working. It works, bro. It works, sister. It works. I mean, you just not get it right. Yes, you just not get it right. How about, like I tell you again, you're messing with this. Bam, bingo, you're messing with this. I mean, like, see, we know all this, but we don't do the right thing. We just look for the cheap one. Don't say, this guy said, hey, I go see this thing buying a cheap, very way cheaper. So I go buy that one. Buy it. Before you see all those stretch marks you be running for, they go visit you. Yes. All those, green you are running for, they go visit you. All those eczema crow wash, when you be running from, they go visit you. You just look hopeless. Come on, man, stop all that. So we don't need to quarter. We don't need to say things that we don't supposed to say to ourselves. You come here, you don't watch video, go away. You don't want to watch? Go away. I'm only put on my best try for you. What have you done to the society? What have you contributed to the society? Those are the things we should be talking about. You've not up and all that. We've not said this is how far we've done for the society, because we still keep going to do more. I'm not coming here to joke with people, with joke ass people. No, I'm not coming there to do that. No, I'm coming here for the serious people. And don't just come here, you watch my video, you don't get any lesson, and you started saying rubbish. No, if you don't understand me, come to WhatsApp and have me talk to one-on-one, man to man, or man to woman. Talk to me. I ain't gonna dispute that fact. I respect all y'all. But so, man, when you just come and they'll put up a fight on me, I don't like him, I don't like the way he talk. That's your problem. You don't like me, I don't like you, so walk away. All right? Walk away, everybody. Walk away. It's okay. Today's a good day, right? So once again, I tell you, we've just opened a new shop at Akuanjo area, Primatech opposite Sweet Sensation. You can see. Opposite Sweet Sensation, you can see. So retalk, yes, whatever you need, we get. Whatever you need, body wash, we get all of it. All of the organics, they come in tomorrow. You know what I mean? So trust me. I say you've got a good opportunity. Locate us right now, right away. The retalk and number on your screen, y'all going to use to get us.